Good morning, everyone. I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here. I would love if you would subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you enjoy what you're liking today, if you enjoy what you're watching today, hit the thumbs up, make sure to hit the notification bell, and leave me a comment down below. Okay, so we're painting over a piece that I wasn't super happy with the results. We're using similar colors, however, we're going to do a puddle swipe, which just happens to be one of my favorite techniques, so that's what we're going to do today. Let's get painting. Alright, so I'm going to start with some buff titanium. I want to make sure I have enough lightness in this piece. I do have a couple of dark colors, a couple of colors that I know dark, that dry fairly dark, so buff titanium is really easy to mix on your own if you have white, brown, and yellow. I usually use the burnt umber, and I have a bright yellow that I just play around with and mix my own, but I do like to buy it as well. This olive green is also a custom color. Now I did write down the ratios, I think. I have a book that I write down my colors in sometimes. If I have the ratios for this olive green, I will add them down in the comments. Aussie floetrol, I like to pour it onto my palette knife, and then I just tilt my knife back and forth, get it covered how I like. I don't like pouring it out and dipping it in. I feel like whatever gets left behind is such a waste. So that's how I do it. My palette knives have seen better days. Gently just gliding it across the top. Just grabbing one of my longer palette knives here.